If you want to marry your girlfriend legally, so you have to apply here for Cinemore certificate. Next week Wednesday.
10 a.m.
Your appointment time?
210.
210 only. If online, 420. Double na? Exactly. For married, all documents we try to complete first. So when we will go India, so we don't have any problem about documents. For singlehood certificate in Philippines is more easier than India. So here also you can get a doula if you have an Indian Filipino baby. So you should get that doula first. Wednesday.
Better the PSA also.
So this is the place for get postal ID. So if you want to make a passport, because a lot of Filipino girls still have no passport, so you need to make passport. So you need to first make this postal ID. This is just 504 peso, so it's not that much high, and it takes 1 month for get the postal ID. So before you apply for passport, so you should make this postal ID first. Get her no marriage certificate, Cinemore, and free of birth certificate, because we are planning to go back India very soon. So we are trying to collect all our documents before go. Actually we apply online, but address in her mother house. But because Linit in work, so that's why she cannot go to her mother house. So we come in main office to ask. This is the Philippine Statistic Authority, PSA. So we will get all documents here. What happened?
No.
Huh?
Different. If deliver, need to follow up that. Because if here walk in,
Then what do you have to do? Not ask?
follow up that, the deliver, need to call.
I need to call that for deliver. We can't do anything from here.
Follow up.
Then you ask about the cinema for your no marriage certificate. Right? They have also online, but better ask first. That also for PSA. I already checked that. All same from PSA.
I asked that one.
Yes.
Also here,
Yes, so
appointment.
here I already checked
You have
there.
appointment, right?
If online pay for 120
Outside.
peso.
Online appointment.
Outside where? Oh, that after online, then have to come here.
To schedule me, you have schedule.
Internet also can pay same. The same like her free birth certificate, same can pay online. Hungry na? Huh? Always hungry, huh? Already we had the then again hungry. Few minutes only, huh?
I don't know.
Okay, then
Robinson 50.
I can do also from mobile, but then again go to only deliver like that. Better if
No, here no.
here. Okay.
At least walk in, only online. Only deliver.
Go now. So we go to find a computer shop or cafe for apply that Cinemore. Because if online, then have lot of problems. So better if we direct apply. So now we are in City Hall. For all documents, they need to come in City Hall. Cinema? Magkano? How much?
60.
How much for everyone?
60.
get first her appointment for get cinema. So no marriage certificate. Hopefully next week we will have appointment date for get her cinema. It's actually not so much expensive, just 60 peso for get appointment, and that for get cinema only just 420 peso. This side you can see, this side is the city hall, so all document need to make here if you want to marry with a Filipino lady, so you have to get that cinema also. This is the most important, and also if you want to make passport for your girlfriend, so you have to apply also for one postal ID. Also you can make the postal ID in city hall.
Wait lang po. Kapag gone, the 30?
Yes, allowed 30. So, actually our load is already expired, so need load first for all.
Kunin mo, try mo. Kasi sa PSA, hindi nila tatanggapin yung one hanggat wala kang court order. Ang sabi ko, number one,
Allowed 30.
na ginamit ng anak mo. At least pa rin yung one na yan. Sabi ko, sa PSA, ano pa rin? Ano pa rin ang lalabas?
Next week Wednesday,
10 a.m.
your appointment time
210.
210 only. If online 420. Double na, exact double. So
Need before 10 na. Need to go
Okay.
before at least 9.
because you come here, that's why half. Because you deliver, that's a double. So better come here. So next week.
Yes, next week. Schedule full. Only Wednesday na.
So for married, all documents we try to complete first. So when we will go India, so we don't have any problem about documents. So because we plan to marry there, we will make all documents there and bring on water. See on water now. Your postal ID, when get? No update? No update
Deliver
about.
also. They need to bring that receipt there again.
Actually, for singlehood certificate in Philippines is more easier than India because online can get, but in India there is no singlehood certificate actually. So that's why need to make from court. Guys, we will update all of you what document you should make for married a Filipino lady. We will give all information, so stay with us. Thanks for watching.